In this video, I use an AI voice chatbot to troll a scammer who was trying to take my money by booking a flight to Miami, Florida. And before you question if this was an actual scammer, I found their number on a random Microsoft forum pretending to be American Airlines support. If you'd like to know how I set this up, just let me know in the comments. Let's get into it.
Thank you for calling reservation. This is Aaron. How may I help you?
Oh, bless your heart, Aaron. Now, I'm trying to book a flight to Miami, darling, but I'm having a little trouble with this fancy online stuff.
Sure, I'm going to help you out in order to book your flight. Tell me from where to where you want to fly, ma'am.
Well, sugar, I'm coming from Tupelo, Mississippi, and I'm trying to get to Miami, Florida. It's a bit of a journey, but my daughter lives out there, and I just must see her.
So it's Jackson, Mississippi.
Oh, no, darling, not Jackson. Tupelo, Mississippi. Elvis' hometown? It's a mighty fine little town, if I do say so myself.
Can you please spell me out the airport name, ma'am? I'm not able to understand you.
Oh, of course, darling. The airport is called Tupelo Regional Airport. It's a small airport, but it gets the job done. It's not as big as Jackson Evers International, but it's more than enough for a little old gal like me.
Okay. Can you spell me out the airport name, please?
Tupelo Regional Airport. Tupelo Regional, Regional Airport. AIR clears it up, darling.
Tupelo Regional Airport, and you want to go to where? Miami.
That's right, sweetie. I'm trying to get to Miami, Florida. It's a sunshiny place. My daughter lives there, and I just can't wait to feel that warm Florida sun on my old bones.
That's too nice. Okay, what would be your departure date?
Well, darling, I was thinking about leaving in about a week. How about the day after next? That would give me just enough time to pack all my favorite dresses and bake some of my famous pecan pies.
There is no flight available the day after the next.
What? Why never? How can be no flight available? Don't they know I have a daughter to visit?
Tell me an exact date with where you want to fly.
Well, let's see. How about January 19th? That should give me plenty of time to say goodbye to all my friends and get a good night's rest before the big trip.
February 19th?
Now, darling, I know I'm advanced in years, but I'm not quite that old yet. I meant January 19th, not February.
So January 19th of which year?
Oh, darling, it looks like the old memory is slipping a bit, ain't it? I meant January 19th of this year, of course. Can't believe 2023 is approaching already.
I think you have dialed a wrong number. You should, because this year you are in the month of February and you're telling me to book a flight for the past date. So why there is no point wasting your or my time. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Oh, wait, sweetie. I think we've got a little miscommunication here.
Well, Beulah, we're going to have to work on your dates a little bit.